How to protect range and sheets in Google Sheets. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can protect your ranges and sheets in Google Sheet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your sheet, whichever you want to protect. After you do that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to first select your range. So let's say that I want to select these many options. I want to, just protect these ranges. Now what you do, let me just remove that. Okay, so after you're here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to search for this data. Now let me zoom in a bit. So yeah, so there you can see a data option. So tap on data, and after you tap on data, there you'll find an option called protect sheets and ranges. So tap on protect sheets and ranges. Now since you selected your ranges already, it'll give you the range itself here. Now you can type it in as well if you want to. Now there's an also option for sheet. If you have multiple sheets, which I don't, you can select sheets as well. So let's do ranges for now. And after you do this, tap on set permission. Now here you can set permission, so you can show a warning when editing this range, or you can simply restrict to who can edit this range. So you can make it custom, you can copy permission from another range as well. So if you want to make it custom, tap on custom and then add any names or email addresses. You can do that and then you can just restrict who can edit this range. Doing that, it will just save it, and there you can see now I have protected my sheets and ranges. So that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.